Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to factory reset your AirPods. The first thing you need to do is disconnect them from your Apple ID or iCloud account. To do this, go into the Settings application on your iPhone or iPad. From here, tap on Bluetooth. You should see your AirPods listed. Tap the little eye information icon next to your AirPods. This will take you to your AirPod settings. At the very bottom, click on Forget this device. Then, confirm by tapping Forget device again. You'll get a prompt that it's going to remove this device from your iCloud account. Once you're ready, tap Forget device. As you can see, it's now disappeared off our Bluetooth settings and has been fully removed from our iCloud account. Now we can move on to factory resetting the AirPods Pro themselves, so we can delete any remaining information. First, open your AirPods case, making sure the AirPods are inside. Once you've done this, flip the case open. Locate the setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button. Keep holding the button until the LED at the front of the case starts flashing white. Now continue holding the button for around 5 to 15 seconds until the LED at the front starts flashing amber. As you can see, it is now flashing amber, which means our AirPods have now been fully reset. You can now remove your finger from the button, close the AirPods case, and they are now ready to be passed on to a new owner. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Roam tips.